A bridge rectifier is a circuit that converts AC voltage into DC voltage. This is important because many devices require DC power to operate, but the electricity supplied from the wall outlet is AC. The bridge rectifier allows us to convert this alternating current into a usable direct current. The bridge rectifier consists of 4 diodes arranged in a special way. Diodes are components that allow current to flow in only one direction. This property is what makes the bridge rectifier work. Let's break down how it works during the two halves of an AC cycle. In the first half cycle of the AC waveform, the voltage is positive. This means the top of the AC input is at a higher voltage than the bottom. During this positive half cycle, 2 of the 4 diodes are forward biased, meaning they allow current to flow. The other 2 diodes are reverse biased, meaning they block current. The current flows from the positive side of the AC source, through one of the forward biased diodes, then through the load, and finally through another forward biased diode to the negative side of the AC source. The key point is that the current is always flowing in the same direction through the load during the positive half cycle. In the second half cycle, the AC voltage becomes negative. This means the top of the AC input is now at a lower voltage than the bottom. During this negative half cycle, the 2 diodes that were previously reverse biased now become forward biased, allowing current to flow. The other 2 diodes that were conducting in the positive half cycle are now reverse biased, blocking current. Even though the AC voltage has reversed, the arrangement of the diodes forces the current to flow through the load in the same direction as it did during the positive half cycle. This is what makes a bridge rectifier so useful. No matter whether the AC voltage is positive or negative, the current through the load always flows in the same direction, producing DC output. Although the bridge rectifier converts AC to DC, the output is not a perfect flat DC signal. It has a ripple, meaning the voltage still varies a bit. To smooth this out, we can add a capacitor across the output. The capacitor stores charge and releases it when the voltage drops, helping to smooth out the ripple and produce a more steady DC voltage. To summarize, a bridge rectifier converts AC to DC using 4 diodes. During the positive half cycle, 2 diodes conduct, and current flows in one direction through the load. During the negative half cycle, the other 2 diodes conduct, but the current through the load is still in the same direction. This produces DC voltage at the output. Adding a capacitor helps smooth the DC output by reducing the ripple. Bridge rectifiers are commonly used in power supplies to convert the AC voltage from the wall outlet into the DC voltage needed by electronic devices.